Have you ever stopped to think that your warm, comforting bowl of oatmeal, the breakfast you trust to power your day, might be quietly harming your body? What if the meal you love is actually a hidden threat because of simple mistakes you're making without realizing it? From sneaky chemicals to habits that strip away nutrients, these common errors can turn your favorite superfood into a health risk. Stick with me until the end to uncover 7 shocking mistakes that could be sabotaging your oatmeal and learn easy, practical fixes to make your breakfast a true champion for your energy, immune system, and heart health. Hey everyone, welcome back to Bloom and Nourish, where we share simple tips to help you live healthier and happier every day. I'm your name, and I'm thrilled to be here with you. Oatmeal is a beloved breakfast for so many of us, packed with fiber and goodness that's great for our bodies. But today, we're diving deep into how small slip-ups can undo those benefits. Don't worry, I'll walk you through each mistake and show you how to make your oatmeal as healthy as it should be. Before we start, I'd really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. It helps me keep sharing these important tips. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And if you enjoy this video, please comment number 1 below. If it's not what you expected, comment number 0 to let me know how I can improve. Now, let's get started. And make sure your oatmeal is the health hero it's meant to be. Mistake number 1. The hidden threat. Why regular oats could harm your health. Oatmeal is celebrated as a heart-healthy, fiber-packed breakfast, but not all oats are safe. Many oats on store shelves are grown with chemicals, like a weed killer called glyphosate, that can stick to the oats even after processing. A 2018 report by the Environmental Working Group found traces of these chemicals in non-organic oat products, like cereals and granola bars. Over time, eating these oats daily could lead to tummy troubles, inflammation, or even bigger health concerns, especially for older folks who eat oats regularly. These chemicals can also harm the environment, affecting soil and water. Choosing the wrong oats means you're not getting the pure, wholesome food you deserve. What to do instead? Pick organic oats to keep your breakfast safe. Organic oats are grown without harmful chemicals, making them better for your body and the planet. Look for the certified organic label when shopping. It's worth the extra cost for peace of mind. You can find affordable organic oats at bulk stores, co-ops, or online retailers like Amazon. Try trusted brands like Bob's Red Mill or Nature's Path for quality. To save money, buy in bulk and store properly. This simple swap ensures your oatmeal is clean, nutritious, and supports your health without hidden risks. Mistake number 2, the sugary trap. How sweeteners ruin your oatmeal's benefits. Oats are a nutritional star with special fiber that helps your heart and keeps your energy steady. But a common mistake is piling on sugar, like white sugar, honey, or syrup, to make your oats tastier. Too much sugar causes your blood sugar to spike and crash, leaving you tired and hungry soon after. It can also raise your risk of weight gain or diabetes, which is a big concern for older adults. Even artificial sweeteners, marketed as healthy, can trick your body, increasing cravings and upsetting digestion, according to a 2017 study in the Canadian Medical Association Journal. This undoes the very benefits you want from your oats. What to do instead? Sweeten your oats naturally to keep them healthy. Add fresh fruits like sliced bananas, blueberries, or apples for natural sweetness. Plus vitamins and fiber. A small drizzle of pure maple syrup or a pinch of cinnamon can boost flavor without overloading sugar. Cinnamon also helps stabilize blood sugar, making it a great choice. Try chopping a few dates or raisins for a sweet, nutrient-rich touch. These options make your oatmeal delicious and support your energy and health, keeping you feeling great all morning. If you're still watching and finding these tips helpful. Please comment number 1 below to let me know you're with me. Thank you for your time. Mistake number 3, the nutrient thief. Why eating raw oats is a big mistake. Raw oats are popular for quick breakfasts, like tossing them into smoothies or eating them dry as a snack. But raw oats contain a natural substance that can block your body from absorbing key nutrients like iron and calcium, which are vital for energy and strong bones. Over time, this can lead to feeling tired or weak, especially if oats are a daily staple. Raw oats can also be tough on your stomach, causing bloating or discomfort, which can be hard for older adults with sensitive digestion. This mistake robs you of the nutrients you need. What to do instead? Soak your oats before eating to unlock their full benefits. Mix oats with water, milk, or a plant-based milk like almond or oat milk, and let them sit in the fridge for 4-6 hours, or overnight. Soaking breaks down that blocking substance, making nutrients easier to absorb and gentler on your tummy. Try overnight oats. Combine oats with yogurt, fruit, or nuts for a ready-to-eat breakfast. Add a splash of vanilla or chia seeds for extra flavor and fiber. This simple step saves time and keeps your oats nutritious and easy to digest. Mistake number 4, the silent saboteur, the liquid secret no one talks about. Oats are packed with fiber that's great for digestion and keeping you full. But without enough water, that fiber can cause problems. If you're not drinking enough, the fiber in oats can lead to constipation, bloating, or stomach pain, which can be uncomfortable, especially for older folks. A 2021 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that low water intake makes high-fiber foods less effective, and you might miss out on nutrients from your oats and other foods. This hidden mistake can derail your healthy breakfast. What to do instead? Drink plenty of water every day. Aim for 8 glasses or about 2 liters, more if you're active or in a warm climate. Pair your oatmeal with hydrating foods like watermelon slices or cucumber for extra moisture. A cup of herbal tea like chamomile or mint can make hydration tasty and add calming benefits. Sip water throughout the day, not just at meals, to help the fiber in oats work properly. This keeps your digestion smooth, your nutrients absorbed, and your body feeling great. If you're still watching and finding these lessons useful, please comment number 2 below to let me know you're still with me. Thank you for your valuable time. Mistake number 5, the pantry danger. What expiration dates really mean. Oats seem like they last forever in your pantry, but that's a risky assumption. Over time, oats lose important nutrients like B vitamins that boost energy and support your brain. If stored in warm or damp places, oats can develop mold or harmful toxins, which can cause stomach upset or worse, especially for older adults. A 2019 study in food chemistry showed that improper storage can cut nutrient levels by up to 30%, robbing you of oatmeal's benefits. Ignoring expiration dates turns your oats into a hidden threat. What to do instead? Always check the expiration date when buying oats and store them in a cool, dry spot in an airtight container, like a glass jar or plastic tub with a tight lid. In humid areas, keep oats in the fridge or freezer to extend their life. Before cooking, sniff your oats. If they smell off or look discolored, toss them out. Buy from trusted brands like Quaker or store brands with clear dates. This ensures your oats stay fresh, safe, and full of nutrients for every bowl. Mistake number 6, the dangerous mix. Pairing oats with junk foods. Oatmeal is a nutritional gem, loaded with fiber and antioxidants that support your heart and energy. But many people ruin it by adding processed foods, like sugary granola, chocolate syrup, or flavored creamers. These are full of refined sugars, artificial flavors, and unhealthy fats that can cause inflammation, weight gain, or blood sugar spikes, Undoing oatmeal's benefits. For older adults, these additives can strain digestion and increase health risks over time, making this a costly mistake. What to do instead? Choose natural, whole toppings to keep your oats healthy. Add a handful of nuts like almonds or walnuts for healthy fats that keep you full. A spoonful of plain Greek yogurt adds protein. And gut-friendly probiotics. Fresh or frozen fruits like raspberries or peaches bring sweetness and vitamins without the junk. Try a sprinkle of chia seeds for extra fiber. These choices make your oatmeal tasty, nutritious, and a true boost for your health. If you're still watching and been finding these tips helpful, please comment number 3 below to let me know you're still with me. Thank you for your time. Mistake number 7. The nutrient killer. How overcooking destroys your oats. Cooking oatmeal seems simple, but boiling it too long or too hot can ruin its goodness. High heat destroys key nutrients like B vitamins for energy and antioxidants that protect your heart. A 2019 study found that excessive heat can cut these nutrients by up to 50%, stripping away oatmeal's superfood powers. Overcooked oats also turn mushy, making them less enjoyable and harder to eat regularly, especially for older folks who value texture and taste in meals. What to do instead? Cook oats gently on low to medium heat. Rolled oats need 5 to 10 minutes, while steel-cut oats take 20-30 minutes. Stir occasionally for a creamy, not gluey texture, or soak oats overnight in water or milk to cut cooking time and save nutrients. Add a splash of milk at the end for richness. This keeps your oatmeal packed with health benefits, easy to digest, and delicious every time. Benefit number 1. The hidden protector. How oatmeal strengthens your defenses. Now let's explore why oatmeal is so powerful when done right. Oats contain a special fiber called beta-glucans that feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Since most of your immune system lives in your gut, oats help your body fight off colds and stay strong. A study in the Journal of Immunology showed beta-glucans boost immune cells, helping you stay healthy during flu season or stressful times. Adding oats to your daily routine, like in a warm bowl or smoothie, builds a strong defense for your body. Benefit number 2. The heart defender. How oats keep your heart strong. Oats are a heart-healthy superstar. Their beta-glucan fiber lowers bad cholesterol, keeping your arteries clear and reducing heart risks. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that one daily bowl of oatmeal can cut cholesterol by up to 10%. Oats also have antioxidants that reduce inflammation, protecting your heart from damage. Eating oats regularly, topped with fruits or nuts, is a simple, delicious way to keep your heart strong and healthy for years. Benefit number 3. The energy booster. How oats keep you going strong. Oats provide steady, long-lasting energy. Their complex carbs release energy slowly, keeping you full and focused without crashes. Pairing oats with protein, like nuts or yogurt, makes them even more filling. A single bowl offers carbs, protein, and healthy fats for balanced energy. Whether you're running errands or enjoying a walk, oats keep you powered up. This makes them perfect for busy mornings or active days. If you're still watching and loving these tips, please comment number 4 below to let me know you're with me. Thank you for your time. Transform your health with oatmeal's power, the ultimate guide. With these tips, you're ready to make oatmeal a true health hero. Imagine starting each day with vibrant energy, a strong immune system, and a protected heart. Choose organic oats, skip sugary traps, soak properly, stay hydrated, check expiration dates, use wholesome toppings, and cook gently. These small steps unlock oatmeal's full potential. One bowl won't change everything, but daily choices build a healthier you. Let oatmeal be your partner in a vibrant life, one delicious bite at a time. And there you have it, the 7 critical mistakes that could turn your healthy oatmeal into a hidden health risk, plus the amazing benefits of getting it right. So, what's one thing you've learned today that's going to change how you enjoy your oats? Maybe it's buying organic oats, soaking them overnight, or trying fresh fruit toppings. Drop a comment below with one tip you'll try. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves oatmeal, and subscribe to our channel for more tips to boost your health. Hit that bell so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. Here's to healthy, delicious oatmeal and feeling your best every day. I'll see you in the next video.